In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save in Google Sheets. Understanding how saving works can really streamline your workflow and ensure that none of your hard work goes missing. Google Sheets is quite user-friendly, and one of its best features is the autosave function. This feature is designed to make your life easier by automatically ensuring that any change you make is saved instantly to your Google Drive. You never have to worry about remembering to save every 5 minutes. Google Sheets has you covered. If you want to check the save status of your document, it's really simple. Just move your cursor up to the top of the Google Sheets window and you'll notice a small cloud icon. Hover your mouse over this icon and a helpful message will display the current save status. Usually, it will say something like "All changes saved to Drive," indicating the safety of your content. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that even if something unexpected happens, like your computer crashing, your most recent changes are safely stored in the cloud. However, if you're looking to have a copy stored directly on your computer, that's easy too. First, navigate to the top menu and click on the File option. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Download. This step allows you to choose the file format you'd like your Google Sheet to be saved as. Some popular options include Microsoft Excel, PDF, or even a CSV file. Select the one that best suits your needs. The document will then download to your computer in the format you chose, creating a handy backup or a file you can share offline. And that's really all there is to it. The combination of the autosave feature and the ability to download in various formats makes Google Sheets a powerful tool for anyone looking to manage and protect their data efficiently. Whether you're collaborating on a project or keeping track of personal finances, the simplicity of saving helps keep things seamless and stress-free. Thanks for tuning in, and now you know exactly how to save your work in Google Sheets.